All right, we're back. Today we have a twofer winterizing special. We have two Thor products. They're both 2018 23-foot long Class C RVs built on the Ford E350 chassis. We're going to winterize them today, both at the same time, throw them on one video. All right, the freshwater drain on this coach is right on the outside next to this compartment, which hides the generator. We're going to let that drain. We're going to go over to the water heater. This water heater, somebody installed a petcock in there to make it easier to drain. So we'll go ahead and open that up. See if it drains when we pop this guy. Yeah, you see how the water's coming out faster now? So this one's a little bit different, where it has a nylon cap on it, and it's 1-inch socket. It's going to take it off. Same theory though. And here's the nylon cap. No sacrificial rod in this unit. I'm going to put that there for now. Go into the back and open up the low point drains. The low point drains on this coach are in the back by the back bumper, and there are valves on it. Let's see if I can get a shot. There they are right there. In this coach, underneath this side of the dinette is the power distribution and your water pump. Under this side of the dinette, you'll find the winterization inlet as well as the fresh water tank. The water heater is under the refrigerator there, showing it's a little bit different than the Freedom Elite, but the same valves. This is going to bypass the water heater, so none of the antifreeze actually goes into the water heater when we charge the system with antifreeze. So I'm going to pop this thing out. Sometimes these are screwed down. All right, we're under the dinette seat. That's your fresh water tank. There's the inlet and the vent for the fresh water tank. This is where the pickup tube for the antifreeze or the winterization inlet would be. And it's not there for some weird reason. We're going to fix that. I got some parts and we're going to put it together right now and show you how to do it. All right, so here's what we got. This is a 1/2-inch plug right here. So I got a 1/2-inch nipple. I got a valve with another 1/2-inch female on this side and a piece of nylon tubing. That should do it. What we need this valve here for is once we open this up, when the water pump starts going, I don't want any water from the freshwater tank coming out here. So we have to shut this valve. Only for winterization this is opening. So here we go. We're going to take this cap off of here. Nipple in there. Make sure that rubber washer's still in there. Rubber washer's still in there. Now our hose and valve. This thing's getting a little bit stiff when it gets cold out, but there's plenty of play here. This valve's open. That valve down there is closed. Also, the water heater valves are closed. You turn the pump on. Kitchen sink. The cold side, pink. Hot side's pink. I'm going to check out the bathroom, see if we get pink. There it is, pink. Pink. The shower. Pink. Pink. The pink's going down the drain there. Pink's going down the drain there. Toilet's pink. This coach is winterized. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have any pointers for winterization, leave them in the comments below. If you want to gloat a little bit because you don't have to winterize your camper, also leave it in the comments. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.